Let's look at a lesson from Savi Kannada grade 1. The name of this lesson is Kai Toleyabeku. Kai means hand and Tole means wash. Toleyabeku means should wash. So the meaning is you should wash your hands. So let's look at the lesson. Sanje Aitu means Sanjay means evening. So it was evening. Asha mattu Udaya ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರು. Mattu means and. So Asha and Uday, they came home. Manege means to home. Bandaru means came. From where did they come? Shaleinda, from school. So it was evening. Asha and Uday, they came home from school. Amma bagilalli kayutta nintittaru. Amma means mother, their mother. Bagilalli, at the door. Bagilu means door. Bagilalli means at the door. Kayutta, kayu means to wait. Kayutta, waiting. Nintiddaru, standing. She was at the door standing and waiting for the children to come. Manege baruttale Udayanige tumba hasivu. So as soon as Uday came home, as he was just stepping inside home, he felt very, very hungry. Hasivu means hungry and tumba is very. So Uday felt very hungry. And what did Uday tell? Udaya, Amma, tinnalu tindi kodu. So he is asking his mother, give me something to eat, give me some snacks or food to eat. Tinnalu means to eat and tindi is snacks or food. Kodu is give. So Uday is telling his mother, give me something to eat. Asha, Amma, Udaya kaikalu toledilla. So Asha is telling, see, he's just walked in from school and he's not even washed his hands and legs. Kai is hands, kalu is legs. So Uday has not washed. Toledilla is not washed. So Uday has not washed his hands and legs. Udaya, ನನಗೆ ಹಸಿವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಮೊದಲು ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನ್ನುವೆ. So Uday is saying, no, I am feeling very hungry. ಹಸಿವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ is feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. ಮೊದಲು ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನ್ನುವೆ. First I will eat. ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೇಡ ಮೊದಲು ಕೈ ಕಾಲು ತೊಳೆ. And his mother saying, no, don't do that. ಬೇಡ means don't. Kaikalu, modalu kaikalu tole means modalu means first. So first wash your hands and legs. Udaya, kai eke toleyabeku. So Udaya is asking, kai is hand, eke means why, and toleyabeku is should wash. So Udaya is asking, why should I wash my hand? For which Amma, ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈ ಕೊಳಕು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. His mother saying your hands are dirty. ಕೊಳಕು means dirty. ಕೊಳಕು ಕೈಯಿಂದ ತಿಂದರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೆಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಕೊಳಕು ಕೈಯಿಂದ means with dirty hands. ತಿಂದರೆ means if you eat. If you eat with dirty hands, your health will spoil. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ means health and ಕೆಡುತ್ತದೆ is spoil. The health will get spoiled if you eat with dirty hands. ಆಶಾ, ಹೊರಗಿನ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಗಾಣುಗಳು ಸೇರುತ್ತವಂತೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೈ ತೊಳೆದರೆ ಕೈ ಶುಚಿಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. So Asha is also saying, ಹೊರಗಿನ means outside. ವಸ್ತುಗಳು is things and ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ is when you touch. So she is explaining it, when you touch things outside, there will be germs which get onto your hands. ರೋಗಾಣುಗಳು is germs. ಸೇರುತ್ತವಂತೆ means they will get onto your hands. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೈ ತೊಳೆದರೆ ಕೈ ಶುಚಿಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. So if you wash your hands cleanly, very nicely, then your hands will get clean. ಅಮ್ಮ, ಹೋಗು ಕೈ ತೊಳೆದು ಬಾ. So now mother is saying, come on, go. ಹೋಗು means go. ಕೈ ತೊಳೆದು ಬಾ, wash your hands and come. Asha, Tilita Udaya. So now Asha is asking, did you understand why we are telling you to wash your hands? ತಿನ್ನುವ ಮೊದಲು ಕೈ ತೊಳೆಯಲೇಬೇಕು. You have to wash your hands before you eat anything. ತಿನ್ನುವ is to eat. Modalu is before. So before you eat, you have to wash your hands. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. And because of that, we will have a good health. ಆರೋಗ್ಯ is health. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ means it will stay good. It will remain good. ಉದಯ ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಈಗಲೇ ಕೈ ತೊಳೆಯುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸರಿ is like saying okay, all right. So Udaya is saying okay, I will now itself, ಈಗಲೇ now itself I will go and wash my hands. ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತರು. So mother is feeling nice because Uday listened to what they said and he got ready to go and wash his hands. So the mother is saying, Nanna makkalu buddhivantaru. My children are smart kids. Nanna makkalu arogyavantaru. My children are healthy children. Asha Udaya kai kaalu mukha toledaru. So both Asha and Uday, they went and washed their hands, legs and face. Amma tindi halu kottaru. And mother gave them some snacks and milk. She gave them some snacks to eat and milk to drink. Kottaru means gave. Makkalu tindi tindaru halu kudidaru. Tindaru means ate, kudidaru means drank. So the children, they ate their snacks and then they drank their milk as well. So this is the lesson kai tolaya beku.